Much better. All right, everybody. I'm not going to use the keyboard. I'm just going to do this myself. So my name is Jared Bendis, and today I am not here as faculty. I'm not here as staff. I'm here as a second-year graduate student in the dance department at Case Western Reserve University. I'm getting, hopefully this time next year, I'll have my MFA. So let's do this. This is not about me dancing. I want to make sure that, because a lot of people are like, oh my God, we get to watch Jared dance. This is not about me dancing. Matter of fact, me going to graduate school is not about me dancing at all. That being said, this is not about me not dancing either. I'm actually in a dance program. So in addition to learning all the wonderful things that like choreography, I'm in technique classes as well. So I'm doing all the type of stuff that you would hope to do. And yes, that is actually me, like, lifting out of the air. That was like a really amazing thing. It always feels like I'm doing that, but I'm not. So, why dance? And just so you know, that blue thing is live. So why dance? Why dance is a really good question. And it actually came to me, the dance department were talking to me about this. What could we do? Well, dance is defined as space plus time plus energy, and it's the roots of all temporal media. And isn't that what we're in? We're in temporal media, so whether it's animation, game design, everything that we do, filmmaking, it's all temporal media. So I want to go to the core, and you know what that is? Choreography. And so that's what I'm working on now. Again, how does that get me into this? Well, what is performance media? That is actually what the entire question that has been asked of me since I got into the program is. So last fall, I was working on a dance study, and well, here is that dance study. Here's a couple seconds of it. You don't have to watch me dancing too much. I'm using the same technology in the study that I'm using here. It actually is silent. We dance without shoes, and we often dance in silence. And so this is actually in front of almost everyone in the department, and all the lights, colors, and graphics you see are being live controlled by me kinetically. There is an iPhone strapped to my back. So we'll see this for a second. And this is just an idea, it was just an experiment. That's what studies are, to kind of see what's going to happen. And after we did that, my advisor said, I think we need to take it to the next level before thesis, which is next year. So I did a piece called Chroma involving 3 graduate dancers, which are much more exciting to watch than me. 3 iPod touches sewn into their costumes, an isolated network, the software called Isadora, and an iPhone app called Gyro OSC, which sends this stuff down, as well as choreography by me. I choreograph the dancers, I choreograph the media, and the dancers perform my choreography as well as the media. Let's take a look at a little bit of them. Sewn into their costumes is a little bit of color, so you can see which dancer was controlling which color. And this is not MST3K, this is actually the performance. You can see the little heads down there. There's a full house. In this section, they don't just get a color, they also get a shape. Now, the only way to actually see dance is to see dance. Watching a video isn't really what we try to do with our program, especially since we do dance for dance, we don't do dance for video. Now, the thing that was really important about this entire process, and the thing that I've learned more than anything else here, is balance. What were you looking at, the dancers or the media or the dancers? And I think too often we see this stuff online and we're like, yeah, it's really cool, and if only those people would get out of the way. That's really cool, if only those students would get out of the way. That's really cool, if only they, and balance is everything here. Can you do one thing? Can you do one cohesive thing? And that's really what I'm working with as a performance media, and I figured, why not show it to you in process? Plus, it's a lot of fun. So that being said, You're all invited to my MFA thesis concert in Cleveland.